Okay, cooking that good meal. Got your mushrooms, you got your chicken breast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken off. Right? News you can make at the house. Feed yourself. And what I'm going to do, I took the chicken off. So what I'm going to do is leave the mushrooms on for a few more minutes, right? And I will bring them off here shortly. So now I got my pasta boiling and getting that bad boy ready with the broccoli. Again, you got to have those green vegetables in there. And this is ready to come off as well. So I'm going to turn the heat down. Now I'm going to pull it off of the heat. Right? The bad boy, they're ready. So I'm going to cut the chicken up, throw it inside of there, add some marinara sauce, some olive, a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to top it off with some red wine vinegar, right, to give it that extra little oomph and that extra little kick. Outstanding meal, great tasting meal. But again, this is just stuff that you can do at the house, save yourself a little money, and eat healthy. Because you know, the healthier you are, it depends on what you're putting into your body. So when you go to a lot of these restaurants, you don't really know what they're putting in or what the products that they're using, but you definitely know if you cook it yourself, spend a little bit of time, then you're going to be golden. And again, teach somebody young around you. Teach the kids. You know, spend some time with them. Talk to them. Read a book to them as well. Oh, and my new book, The Benefits of a Bully, The Onyx Eyes Kids, is coming out in October. All right? Something for the kids, what you guys have been waiting for and asking for. And again, this is L.A. Kendrick with the cooking tip. And I'll have the remainder of this, and I'll have the actual finished product here shortly. Stay tuned.